Hi everyone and good morning from the Air-Clips.com world headquarters. I'm Patrick and today I got some exciting news for you. I just wanted to let you know that our famous lady Captain Marina from Air Baltic, famous from our -8 Q400 ultimate cockpit movie with more than 2 million views today and still soaring high, being super popular. We have a new film in our program with her. Many of you have asked through the comments what happened with Captain Marina after the phase out of Air Baltic's Q400s, and we will show what happened. She's now captain on board the brand new Airbus A220-300 operated by Air Baltic, and we managed to capture her new working life during a fantastic cockpit flight together with likewise famous Captain Gerhard. This stunning new Ultimate Cockpit movie is already available for you at exclusive.airclips.com. You can enjoy it there right now. If you cannot wait, but the public premiere in this case is coming as well relatively soon, and then as always for free. So already mark in your calendars please Friday 27th of November when we will have a premiere, and please mark it in big capital letters because there's a special highlight to it. Captain Marina will join this premiere and she will chat with you live in the chat interface during the premiere together with us, so you really can show your appreciation, ask your questions and directly exchange with her. That's super nice, and I'm particularly looking forward to that session. You will find the link to the premiere down here. You just register now, you set your alert, and then you make sure that you can't miss it. All the local times when the premiere is gonna start, it's gonna be like 8 p.m. Central European time, 7 p.m. UTC. But some selected local times for a couple of time zones, you find them down here. And now I got even more exciting news, because in fact this is not one film, this is two complete Ultimate Cockpit movies. One for the way from Riga to Dublin and a separate movie for the return flight. And also the second movie has now been published at exclusive.airclips.com. Please visit our exclusive membership area, and if you select to help and support with a little membership contribution, you will be able to see a number of brand new Ultimate Cockpit movies which are not publicly available yet for free, including the first and the second parts of our brand new Marina films. As always, all the films will become publicly available for free, but since we need to schedule it in our release plan, it needs some patience for that. So there's a lot to come. Thank you very much for staying tuned. I hope to see you in the premiere, in the next one, and in the regular premieres at least once a month that will be coming. There's so much more in the pipeline for you. We have the second Corona wave right now in Central Europe, but believe it or not, this doesn't stop us from filming fresh new footage, and I'm really thrilled if I'm thinking about the projects to be filmed in the very near future, in addition all the stunning footage that we have collected already, and that is going to be edited for you soon. So thank you very much for being with AirClips. Stay tuned for more.